Guwahati Sarusaja Stadium along Kepado Port Panchayat rally along MLA Abarim Vidya Singh England Congressman COC BJP along Kaching Bedun. Borpathar Police Station के पारो आंकांग सिलिनुजन along Student and Youth for Justice Atumpen Hor Care Kinep Long. District Press Club of Karbi Anglong Pen Abarim Karbi Anglong SP Dr. GV Prasad IPS Apan Kachipadi Dur. Kardom ada Birtan Open Birtan Hanbang Thare Harmony Birtan Pen Arjuita. Guwahati Sarusaja Stadium along Arkoi Nipa Inkora Pli Arni Panchayat Rili ke Paman Pon along MLA Abarim Vidya Singh England Congressman COC BJP Ratcharia Song along Kaching Bedun na Birta Card News asa Hemalang Birta nang pale
Guwahati Sarusaja Stadium Panchayat Rili ke Paman Pon along Karbi Anglong Tunamas Council CEM Tuliram Longhak MLA Dr. Numol Momin Yamatum Horan Singh Bilapen Mongol Singh Timot Anparta Bangswa Mailong Mankido Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal Finance Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma State BJP Amai Turanjit Das Uttar Pradesh Minister Mahendra Singh Lapen Election in Charge of State Tumchatong Dun Labangsu Panchayat Rally along Abarim MLA Vidya Singh England Ta Congress Pen COC BJP Song along Chingbe Dun
Borpathar Police Station ke parlo angkang Arkoi Nipa Inkora ke Thom Aning be Student and Youth for Justice Asong Atum Joy Pen Birta Kelong Pen Silinjan SBI Adung Pen Damchet Edona Hem along Aronre Arunachal Pradesh Ahot KR ki Bivera Dim Palesi Hor KR Kelong Name Birta Pherang ke Pen Birta Nang Pale
Aronre Pen Hor KR ki Bivera Dim Pale Dam Det Pen Students and Youth for Justice Matiti Hekpen SY Jatum Pen Excise Asai Kia Tumapan Birta Pachini se Excise Atumta Adim Pale Dun Pen ke doana Hor Chipari Deng Ponlo Pangrupet Pen Cartoon Paro ke Thamso se McDowell Triple X Ramla Pen Biara Hor Cartoon Long Pon SYJ BDC Amai Pulong Bomon Rong Hang Lapen Nobin Terona Tupen ke Pachunia Tenki Ladak Ningkan ke Thompli Anbag Dolo Arandre Pen Arunachal Ahor Care Godan Do Pupen Ajak Bangswa Dimalong Nang Tibi
District Press Club of Karbi Anglong Amaipu Kiri Ronghang Konchun Bang Danielson Be Atumpen Japon si Arkoi Nipa Inkora Pli Arni SP Bangalo along Paledam si Abarim Karbi Anglong SP GV Prasad Apan Kachipadi Dun
Abarim Karbi Anglong SP Dr. GV Prasad IPS Karbi Anglong along Kido Chiklojon Inkora Hini Angbong Thanga Kisung Lapen Kasik Sakta Avia Port Karbi Anglong Arat Tumapan Kachuro Alam The Pajir Dekang Lapen Karbi Anglong Pherang Kia Tumapan Misen Pen Asona Sana Sailong Kachurap Kachiro Duna Port Kachuro Pajir Dekang Alang Li Karbi Anglong Pen Promotion Transfer Damsi Jorhad along DIJ Ang Hoi Ingli Dampo
Namalam support han Birtamo Tan Ponik Sina
In continuation of this office notification number ADSDE 213/2013 to 2014-48 dat 12/9/2018, it is for information to all concerned that the office of the Additional Director of Sericulture Difu Karbi Anglong will hold interview YY voice for the post of grade 4 Chokidar under the Department of Sericulture as per program given below. Note the ADA will be provided by the department. The candidate should bring all their documents in original on the day of the interview. No separate call letter will be issued for interview YY voice for the post of Chokidar.
First time at DIFU, First International Trade Fair 2019 from 18 January to 30 January at DIFU Club. A huge branded and collection of handicrafts from different states of India such as Delhi, Kashmir, Ludhiana, Haryana, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Kolkata, Punjab, etc. A beautiful melamine kitchen items of Bangladesh are available here. You will get all the needful and householding accessories including food items here. There is no any fee required for entry. Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014-33731, 93652-07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Please step in Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, one step to the world of fashion. All kind of facilities are available here such as hair spa, bleaching, makeup, pedicure and manicure, hair perming, straightening, body spa, facial, threading, waxing, etc. For more information, please contact 6001863-460. Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, first floor, Cakes Legacy Building, Main Market, Diffu. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 am to 1 pm. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, Rukasan, Amlapati, Diffu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesiri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang Tharwe alang Theso alang kecu ajam tu Tharmit aduk Thelua Kreng Chitronola Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dhinamu Piputat Birtalong Wangtulo. Number 15 Mahamaya Constituency, Domoka Town Committee ki parlo, Ward number 5 Karbi Colony Arong, Pendanglok, Prekja Madingalong Kedam Tang, Town Committee ki Liga Hut, Karbianglo Autonomous Council EM, Lunsin Teron, Wood ki hang Amaya Long Ason Lamcha Kachapipon Ateng Pen, Kachapa Pleng Pon Gia Pan, Sayamo Kedeng Pon Gia Dim, Highway along Arkoi Nipa Inquaraga Tom Arni, Kelang Charidam Birta Perang Kipen Birta Nang Pale. Bangsu kelang cerita malang council walk je inubin terang SA Honsing Tilapen Ward number 5 Commissioner Biren Singh Teron Ward number 3 Commissioner Pralat Timu Ward number 1 Commissioner Rebecca Ingtipi Pen Danglok Ongdung ke theke dingatum chetong dun Pinpur Mekidam Tang Town Committee Kilik Ahut Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Lum Singh Teron Wood ke Chohang Dam Amaya Hut BGP Songpen Karjap Dun Atuma Panjongsi Radatum Nang Pahai Pi Pulote Town Along Kaching Thur Avar Saito An ke claim Kedam asai an claim pon pu hai hui ke chak ateng pen ke paklang jia phan mate rada tu BGP song aphan ke pahai apu thak ning kang sam che paklang lapen rada tu ma phan tak ke rap pajir dam an parta sayamo ke claim pon jia phan pangcheng pon pu lapen non e prang ke bang jia lok sitame rada tu BGP song along ning isi du thipen song ke pangtang thek jia phan lapen ason kaching thura bar sai ke claim pon thu long bom ji aphan lapen nang ke rap nang che tudun tu bom jia phan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Lum Singh Teron pen chunung ripon thu Nilip constituency ke parlo angkang koilamati rongmonjir chek suanglong arleng along ihu matrak arleng alune det amat arleng klochok pusi arkoi ni phaing kora pli arni card news ase hemalong birta nangle
Koilamati pen kedam bomb ihu matrak arleng alun edet pen aphinang kachirui phirajok arlok klochok Arlok ki klochok atrak number NLK 7576 pusipang theklo bangso atrak long kache thabduna tum kopai ke merjok kaching koi alok inut napta aring hu ki sobang awelang posichini dun kidam tang ninia prangta lokhiram arong upper daikrum arleng along ihuma tracker touching koilo tracker kaching koilong bang hinia phanke sikelang hemalong an sikelang phan kachipon nang ta dolo pusibilta long dun
Ada berita bang lepas di kantor poniklah domi thangme kubang tu